Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Western Electric 2554, and this is Scott's equipment from MD, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. This telephone has been in Scott's family for a long time, and he wants to be able to use it. And he's got a note with this unit, and he's got a lot of different issues that he's having with this telephone, and we're going to run through a little bit about what's going on with this unit. Now, we have troubleshooted some. In the note, Scott's talking about the keypad does not dial out properly, and from troubleshooting we know that the keypad is an older style type keypad, and it has the tunable coils, and once those coils lose their tuning, there's no sense in trying to save the keypad. So we are going to upgrade to a newer style electronic keypad, so we'll take care of that issue. Also in the note, he's talking about a family member had a polarity protect circuit installed in this telephone, and there is a polarity protect circuit in the unit. We need to remove that polarity protect circuit because with the newer style keypad, it's already protected, so we don't need a bunch of polarity protect circuits involved at the network. The polarity protect circuit that was installed years ago is not needed, and it will be removed. Scott has also mentioned the bell, and so we troubleshooted the bell and circuit, and we know that the network is stealing some of the ring cycle voltage for the bell. So what we want to do is we want to break away the bell from the network. So we want to recreate and build up our circuit for the bell so that we can get it away from the network and the network does not steal any of the ring cycle voltage. So we'll take care of that issue. The type of bell used in this telephone is not really known to be a real super loud bell, but we are going to do everything that we can to get the most bell action and the best ring cycle voltage to the bell. And there's another factor to remember. Any circuit that feeds this telephone, say a phone company or a modem, if it is sending a low signal on the ring cycle voltage, then it will affect the performance of the bell. We also know through troubleshooting that the modular port at the handset is broken. So basically when you plug the handset cord into the handset, the only thing that's keeping the handset cord into the handset itself is the little opening for the modular handset cord. So we want to remove and replace the modular port at the handset. We'll take care of that issue. Scott also has an issue with the volume, the audio of the handset and transmit. He says it's very low and it does not sound good. So we want to go through the audio and the transmit for the handset, and we want to try to utilize as much audio and transmit that we can get out of this unit. So we'll take care of any of those issues. The bell adjustment for the low and loud audio, that bracket is broken. And when it comes to this type of telephone, the audio adjustment for the bell always breaks. It's a very hard part to find, and there's no sense in even looking for it because with age they get brittle. They were not that great to begin with. They make them out of some type of a lucite plastic, but they break real easily. We will be making a bell adjustment bracket out of metal, so we will not have to worry about that adjustment snapping off in the future. There is a lot of issues with this telephone, but it's a great example of a Western Electric 2554 touch-tone wall telephone, and it looks great. So we're going to get all of the issues resolved. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool Western Electric 2554, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting, repairing, and converting of this really cool telephone. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with our repairs and conversion of this really cool Western Electric 2554, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. It is pretty quiet today, but if you hear any noise, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now what we want to do is go ahead and use our analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call. So we'll start that. We're going to let that go a few times. I'm going to let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We're going to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello? Hello. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out, we have transmit and receive, we can go ahead and move our line cord over to a line out, and we'll call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, just stay on the line. Today is Tuesday, December 12th. The current time, 6:59 p.m. and the temperature, 50 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. Now that we know that this really cool Western Electric 2554 touch tone wall telephone has been repaired and converted, we can return this unit back to Scott, and he can enjoy this telephone like his family did for years. I'm sure it's going to look great wherever it's installed. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.